Students, previous video you are learned about transversal line and the transversal line making 8 angles. Yes, that is angle 1 to angle 8. That is you are learned corresponding angles, alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles. Yes, vertically opposite angles. Do you remember, students? Yes. Okay. Now example 5.8. It is the given diagram. Yes, it is the given diagram. For this diagram, we have to answer these following questions. Refer with this diagram, we have to answer these questions. First question, name the angle that corresponds to angle 1. Corresponding angle I taught to you now, do you remember? Yes, for these two are corresponding angle. This first line, yes. For this first line, making angle, for this is first angle, first line for this angle, suppose you have to give the name L, M, transversal line T. Okay, for you have to give any name, that is not a problem here. Okay, the angle, the line, straight line T, making angle with this line L, 4 angles. For with M, 4 angles. For here first angle, these two are corresponding. Angle 1 is corresponds to angle 5. Yes, students? Yes. So name the angle that corresponds to angle 1 is angle 5. Name the angle that is alternate interior to angle 3. Alternate interior you have to refer these 4 angles 3, 4, 5, 6. So interior alternate for these two and these two. So angle 3 alternate angle, interior angle to angle 3 is angle 5. Third question, the angle that is alternate exterior to angle 8. Angle 8, exterior angle, what are they? 1, 2, 7, 8. So which two is alternate? 2 and 8. Okay, so that is alternate exterior to angle 8 is angle 2. Okay, then the angle that is alternate exterior to angle 7, exterior to angle 7 is angle 1. Next, name the angle that is alternate interior to angle 6. Angle 6, what are the interior? 3, 4, 5, 6. These are interior angles. The interior angles, we have to find the alternate interior angles. So, what are the alternate interior angles? Is alternate interior to angle 6 is angle 4. These two are alternate. Listen, students, second question. If L is parallel to M, it is L. Okay, L is parallel to M. Find the measure of X and Y in the figure. Find the measure of X and Y in this figure. Refer with this diagram. It is line L, M, it is N. The measurements Y, it is 2X, it is 4X. So what is given in the question? First take and write. L is parallel to M and N is transversal to L and M. For this, N is transversal to L and M. Okay, so these two are vertically opposite angle. Y is equal to 2x because vertically opposite angles are equal. This y is equal to 2x. Okay, then one more result, y plus 4x is equal to 180 degree. Why? Sum of interior angle that lie on the same side of the transversal. That is, same side of the transversal, y plus 4x is equal to 180 degree. Yes. So now, so that is instead of y you have to substitute 2x. Yes, y is equal to 2x because the first result we found y is equal to 2x. Now 2x plus 4x you have to add these two now coefficient. 2 plus 4, 6. 6x is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So that is 6x is equal to 180 degree. Now you have to make cancel. 1 6 is 6. 3 6 are 18. 0. Okay, 1 6 is 6, 3 6 are 18, this 0 take and write. So this implies x is equal to 30 degree. Students, now we want to find y value. Yes, they are asked y value, you know. In this question, we want to find x and y value. Y is equal to, we know y is equal to 2x. Yes, y is equal to 2x. So, y is equal to 2 into 30 degree. So, 2 into 30, 60 degree. So, therefore, y is equal to 60 degree. Listen students. Exercise 5.2 question number 1. From the figures name pair of angles. Yes, some of the pictures are given. For these pictures the angles name we have to, pairs of angles name we want to find. Okay, observe this first picture. For it is line M, N, it is L. So which is the transversal? This is the transversal line. These two are parallel lines. Okay, these two are parallel lines. It is transversal line. Why you say it is a transversal? It intersect the lines M and N at two distinct points. So it is a transversal line. These two are parallel lines. Okay. Now you have to give the name for angle 1 and 2. What is the name of angle 1 and 2? Say students. Say what is this they are? Say the name. Yes student, these two are exterior angles, same side of the transversal. These two are exterior angles. Yes students, exterior angles and these two are lie on the same side. Okay. So how you write this? M and N are parallel lines and L is transversal. Okay, it is L. L is transversal. So angle 1 and 2 are exterior angles on the same side of the transversal. Okay, now you have to observe this second picture. For L is transversal, M and N are parallel lines. Now you have to say the name of angle 1 and 2. Say students, these two also exterior angles. Yes students, angle 1 and 2 are alternate exterior angles. Now observe this third picture. Yes, M and N parallel line, it is transversal. Angle 1 and 2 are, these two are, what is this name? Corresponding angles. Okay, these are corresponding angles. Yes, now you have to observe this picture 4. Picture 4, yes. For this is M and N are parallel line. This is a transversal. So these two are lie on the same side. So angle 1 and 2 are interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Okay students. Yes. Fifth picture you have to observe. Yes. For these two are interior angles. Yes students, interior angles. So these are alternate. Yes it is. These two are alternate. So angle 1 and 2 are alternate interior angles. Okay students. Yes. Now you have to observe this sixth picture. For it is what are the parallel lines? Yes. We have O, P, Q, then L, M, N. So you have to identify what are the parallel lines, what are the transversal lines. Yes, what are the parallel lines? O and Q parallel lines. Yes students, O, Q are parallel lines. O, P, Q. These are parallel lines and N is the transversal. O, P, N is the transversal. This O and Q, N is the transversal line. Transversal, it intersect at 2 or more points. Okay. So now angle 1 and 2 are corresponding angles. These two are corresponding angles. So the related lines you have to consider line O and line Q. For this is P. For here not mention any angle. So you have to compare these two lines. Now you have to observe. For it is the transversal line intersect at this point and this. So these two are corresponding angles. Question number 2. Find the measure of angle X in each of the following figures. Okay. For here 5 problems are given. So you have to find each one value. Now you have to refer with this first diagram. For it is 35 degree is X. So what is the X value? For these two are corresponding angles, you know, corresponding angles are equal. So X value is equal to 35 degree. Okay students. Yes. M and N are parallel lines and L is a transversal. L is a transversal. So that is X and 35 degree are corresponding. These two are corresponding angles. So corresponding angles are equal. So X is equal to 35 degree. X is equal to 35 degree. Second question. For it is X, it is 65 degree. So say this angles, what is the name of these two angles? Yes. What is this? These two are corresponding angles. Once again, these two are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal. So this is 65 degree. This also 65 degree. Okay. Third question. For these two are, it is 145 degree. It is X. So corresponding angles are equal. These two are corresponding. So X is equal to 45 degree. Okay, students. Yes, this fourth picture, it is 135 degree, it is x. So these are corresponding angles. Yes, students, these two are corresponding angles, you know. Yes, so x is equal to 35 degree. So now you have to observe this. It is, what is this name of this square box? 90 degree. Okay, these two are corresponding angles. So x is equal to 90 degree. This is 90 degree. This also 90 degree. Okay, both are perpendicular. Otherwise, it is a corresponding angles. These are corresponding angles. X is equal to 90 degree. So like this picture questions are very easy. You have to observe it. You have to see the pictures and you have to answer. Okay, students? Yes. Third question. Find the measure of angle in each of the following figures. Yes, students, 4 questions are given. It is fourth one. It is not fourth one. Okay, the first picture, it is y, it is 28 degree. We have to find the y value. These two are alternate interior angles are equal. So y is equal to 28 degree. Okay, now for these m and n are parallel lines, L is a transversal. Yes, for it is exterior angle. These two are exterior. Exterior angles are equal. So y is equal to 58 degree. So you have to remember in the last class I taught you some of the results and definitions, you know, that you have to study well. Okay, then you easily have to find these values. Yes, now for these two are parallel. This is a transversal line. These two are interior angles. Yes, students, alternate interior angles are equal. So y is equal to 123 degree. Now for these two are parallel. This is a transversal. Now these two are exterior angles. Yes, students, alternate exterior angles are equal. So y is equal to 108 degree. Okay. Okay, students. Yes. Now fourth question. Find the measure of angle Z in each of the following figures. For it is Z, it is 31 degree. How you find this value? These two are same side angle. Yes, lies on the same side of the transversal line. Sum of these two angle is 180 degree. So that is Z plus 31 degree is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so that is you have to find, you have to follow this method. Z is equal to 180 minus 31. Transpose. This 31 you have to transpose this side. Left hand side value transpose to right hand side, it get changes in their sign. Okay, so plus 31 become minus 31. So that is equal to 180 degree minus 31. Normal subtraction. 10 minus 1, 9. For it is 10. It is 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. This one. So 149 degree. Okay, students. Yes. The second picture. For these two are parallel, this is transversal. This is also same side of the transversal line. Same side angle of the transversal line. Z plus 135 degree is equal to 180 degree. So, Z plus, for this is you have to follow this rule. Z is equal to, you have to transpose this side, 180 minus 135. So, that is equal to 45 degree. Z is equal to 45 degree. Okay, yes, in this third picture, for these two are exterior angles. Yes, students, these two are exterior angles, you know. Yes, so now this is exterior angle, some are transversal line, same side of the same side lies on these two angles. Yes, so that is Z plus 79 degree is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so that is Z is equal to 180 minus 79. So that is equal to 101 degree. Okay, Z is equal to 101 degree. Transposing this plus 79 become minus 79. Then you have to subtract these two. Okay, students. Yes. Now you have to observe this fourth one. Yes. For it is the 22 degree. It is Z. These two are corresponding angles. Yes, corresponding angles. So you have to observe Z plus 22 degrees. So this is a transversal line. Exterior angles. It's a transversal line on the same side of the transversal. Yes, that is Z plus 22 is equal to 180 degree. Students, you have to make change in your notebook. Okay, in your study material, M and N are parallel lines. L is a transversal. Exterior angles that lie on the same side of the transversal are 180 degree. So Z plus 22 degree is equal to 180 degree. Z plus, so how you write this? You have to follow this common method. Z is equal to 180 degree minus 22 degree. So that is equal to 158 degree. Okay, students? Yes? Students, now fifth question. Find the value of A in each of the following figures. You have to observe this first picture. It is 3A. It is 126 degree. Yes, students? Yes, these two are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal, you know. Yes, you have to write. You have to follow these steps. M and N are parallel. Each problem you have to write this. M and N are parallel lines. L is a transversal. L, small L you have to use. L is the transversal. Corresponding angles are equal. So 3A is equal to 126 degree. Now A value you have to find. So multiplication become division. Yes. 1 3 is 3. So it is 4 3s are 12. 3 2s are 6. Sorry, it is 3. So 2 3s are 6. So 40. That is, listen, 126 by 3. 3 table you have to use. It is divided by 3. 1 3 is 3. You have to consider first 2 digit. 4 3s are 12. Then you have moved to the next digit, that is 6. 2 3s are 6. So that is equal to 42 degree. Now you have to observe this second picture. It is 4A plus 13. It's 135 degree. Yes, it is exterior angles. It is a transversal line. So on this transversal line, these two angles lie on the same side. Same side of the transversal line, sum of these two values is equal to 180 degree. So that is, M and N are parallel lines. L is a transversal. L is a transversal. Exterior angles that lie on the same side of the transversal are supplementary or 180 degree. What is this meaning? Supplementary 180 degree. So that is 4A plus 13 plus 135 degree is equal to 180 degree. So now you have to remove this bracket. 4A plus 13 plus 135 is equal to 180 degree. You have to add these two. So what do you get? 148. Okay, students. So you have to add these two. 135 plus 13. It is 841. You have to add these two. What do you get? 148 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now you have to find this value. So that is 4A is equal to 180 degree minus 148 degree. Yes, how you read this? Degree. So now you have to subtract these two. 180 degree, 180 minus 148. You have to subtract. How you subtract? It is 10. Borrowed on, you know, so it is 7. 10 minus 8 is 2. 7 minus 4 is 3. 1 minus 1, 0. So 32. So 4A is equal to 32. Yes, 4A is equal to 32 degree. So A we want to find, you know. So A is equal to 32 by 4. 1 4 is 4. 8 4s are 32. So A is equal to 8 degree. Yes, students, we want to find A value only, you know. Yes, so A is equal to 8 degree. Okay, third problem. Third question, you have to observe these two are interior angles. Alternate interior angles are equal. Okay, M and N are parallel lines. Alternate interior angles are equal. Their answer is not given. We have to find this. Okay, yes, 8A plus for this third one. 8A plus 29 is equal to 45 degree. Yes, students, alternate interior angles are equal, you know. 8A plus 29 is equal to 45 degree. 8A is equal to 45 degree minus 29 degree. 45 minus 29. You got to subtract. It is 15. 15 minus 9 is what? 6. It is 3. 3 minus 2, 1. Okay. 16. 45 minus 29 is 16. 8A is equal to 16. A is equal to 16 by 8. 1 8 is 8. 2 8s are 16. A is equal to 2. Okay, students. Yes. Then the last one. It is, these two are parallel lines. It is a transversal. What is the meaning for the square box? 90 degree. So these two are same side of the transversal. Okay. We have to find this A value. M and N are parallel lines. L is the transversal line. It is perpendicular to M and N. Listen, students. These two are the transversal line, same side of the angle. So sum of these two angle is equal to 180 degree. Yes. So that is 6A plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. 6A is equal to 180 minus 90. This plus 90 become minus 90. 6A is equal to 90 degree. A is equal to 90 by 6. 90 divided by 6. 1 6 is 6. So you have to make divide. It is 15 times 6 is 90. So A is equal to 15 degree.